Welcome, and thanks for visiting our office and shop here in beautiful Southern Indiana. Exterior Pro is a privately held, full-service commercial roofing company. Let me show you what we're all about. We install flat roofing membranes like PVC and TPO on a variety of applications including restaurants, shopping centers, banks, hospitals, manufacturing facilities, and metal roof recovers. We roll form standing seam metal roofing on your job site and fabricate all of our metal roofing trims and commercial gutters in our sheet metal shop. We also know that roofing projects are more than just the materials we install or the warranties we leave behind when the job's done. It's about the overall experience throughout the entire roofing process. We take your investment seriously. That's why we've put together a group of hardworking guys, trained them up in the roofing industry's best practices, and gave them the right equipment to get the job done. Thanks for learning more about Exterior Pro Roofing. If you have any questions or want to discuss your upcoming roofing projects, give us a call or email. We'll see you on the roof.